Good evening, class. For week 7 discussion, we'll be looking at chapters 13 and 14. For this week's reading, I read an article on the Infosys website titled What's Underneath a Great Digital Commerce Solution. The article talks about how the digital experience is the primary mode for attracting and retaining customers for most industries. What goes into building a good digital commerce solution, and the 4 key aspects to consider, which are platform design, systems integration, data and analytics, and the payment system. Chapter 13 of our text has to do with building an information system, and the organizational change is associated with building new systems. There are various changes that occur within a business when new information systems are introduced, such as the job skills and need to train employees on the skills related to the new information system being introduced. There are 4 types of organizational structure change brought on by new information system that are mentioned in our text. Automation, which is the most common form of organizational structure change, includes software for calculating payroll, or when you go to the supermarket, the self-checkout systems that they use. Those are examples of automation. Rationalization of procedures is the second, and it essentially deals with the elimination of any obstacles that may hinder the effectiveness of the automation. The third is business process design. In order for changes to be implemented, the business process is analyzed, it is simplified, and redesigned. And this is done to cut waste and be less reliant on paper-intensive tasks. The final organizational change is paradigm shift, and this is a change to how the business operates, from the use of AI to how recruiting or even the way its products are produced. Chapter 14 talks about making the business case for information system and project management. The main reason for business acquiring a new information system is basically to deliver genuine business benefits. The failure rate, though, of businesses that try to implement a new information system that requires extensive organizational change. The failure rate for businesses that require extensive organizational change is very high. Thus, project management is introduced and is used to essentially deliver on time, on budget, and provide genuine benefits to the business. There are several risks associated with information system projects. Not enough participation from users in the development stage process, lack of support from management, and poor management skills. Lastly, the chapter talks about how we can reduce the risk associated with information system. And it's basically the opposite of what the obstacles are. And those are strong user participation in the development process, management continued support and control of the process, and utilizing project management software to track and organize each project.